Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll see the continuation of bean. So in previous video, I had missed the configuration based bean creation. So let's see how bean is created with the help of configuration based. Before getting started, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe, hit on the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification on it. So basically what is a configuration based is we are creating bean and we are asked like the creation of bean is in our control. Spring is not taking any control of creating that bean. So how do you do that is you create a class. It can be with any name. I will give it as config. So this is my config class. Then what you do is you annotate with @configuration. This annotation is important here because you are telling that this class is a component. I mean configuration, and that internally is a component again. Okay. So this is a config class that you have created. Yeah. So after that, with the help of factory method, you need to define a bean. You need to tell that you need to create a bean. So what I'll do is, we have a book class here, right? So it already has the read book method, and I have already covered that hooks, lifecycle hooks, and yeah. So what I'll do here is, I'll create a method, a factory based method. So this factory method will create an object. That object will be book, and here you can tell anything. Read new book. Okay, so I'm creating a simple function, and I'll tell this as out reading new book. Okay, and I have to tell Spring this should be a bean. So I'll annotate this with @bean. So what is an error? So I have to add a return type. It should actually return the object of this book. So what we'll do here is we'll tell return new book. So here what I am doing is I am explicitly telling Spring that I am taking the control over it. I am creating it. Okay. So this print statement is not required, but still here I am telling Spring that create a bean. But the dependency injection part, right, that is taken care by the Spring itself. We are not doing anything. Now let's run this and check what output we are getting. Yeah, so I think it has given us error. So let's check what is error. It's telling field object 1 in this particular class required a single bean but were found 2. What it is trying to tell is that particular class has 2 beans, and it is specifying which class has that 2 beans. One is this config class, you have 1 bean, and the other one is you have a bean in springboot book class. So you have 2 beans now. That is why it is telling which bean to consider. Okay. So what I'll do here is, for now I will just comment this out and rerun. Okay. Let's see what is happening. See, now it is creating the bean and it is giving the output accordingly. Here we have the objects, right, which I have explained, the singleton and prototype. If you have not watched that video, please do watch it. The scope of bean basically. So this is how you create a configuration based bean, and in configuration we are actually telling Spring that this is the way that I want to create a bean, and the dependency injection is taken care by the Spring itself. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.